Good morning. Today I am going to create a box plot in R. R have example data. The name of the data equals to empty char. Then attach the data. To understand the column name of the data, type names, then data, then hit the control enter. Okay, here are the column name of the data. To create the box plot, type boxplot, type mpg tilde, then cyl, then data equals to data, then hit the control enter. Now you can see the box plot. To provide the name of the box plot, type main equals to multiple box plot, then hit the control enter. Then you will see the title of the plot. Then to label the x-axis and y-axis, type xlab equals to cylinders. For the y-axis, ylab equals to miles, then hit the control enter. Then you will see the xlab and ylab. To change the color of the plot, type col equals to, then which color do you like? Orange, then hit the control enter and the color has been changed. To create a horizontal, type horizontal equals to true, then hit the control enter. Then you will find the horizontal plot. This much for today. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe us.